guys, so I'm gonna show you guys all the things that I recently got from Temu. I was playing a game last Saturday and I won, I believe, 12 free items. So this is a free Temu haul because if you play those games, you get free prizes. So let's go ahead and get all the packages. Actually, I only have half of my order, so this video is gonna be in 2 parts. So just stay tuned for the next part. And I just got my hair as well. So here is our Temu packages. So yeah, I'm super excited because it's free stuff. I already know the drill. I'm definitely gonna be doing a reel at the same time, so just bear with me. But I know how to edit, so we'll be fine. When I send y'all a link next time, y'all better click it because this is how I got my free stuff. And a lot of this stuff is going to be a gift for other people. So let's jump right into the first package. Oh, I'm excited, it's gonna be last. So first, I got this little packet. It's a initial like makeup toiletry bag type of thing. And I got it in a J. Yeah. So I got one of those with a little zipper. You can put your travel essentials in it, all the things. Super cute. I got a detangler brush. I love these things. I actually used it the other day when I washed my hair, and these brushes just are so good in the shower. When you're washing your hair, they really help get out the tangles with minimal shedding. So I really love that. Next up, I got makeup or facial sponges. It's these cute little ones. This is a gift, so I'm not gonna open it because, you know, gotta keep it sterile. But I really think this is so cute. The facial sponges. I got 2 facial sponges for gifts. I got a ring that says mom for a gift. It's so cute. This is what, I'm gonna put it on so you can see what it looks like. Isn't that so adorable? Oh my gosh. Okay, Temu. That is cute. Y'all better hit Temu up. I think that's so cute. But this is a gift, so I'm gonna put it back in the package. And then we got a spin brush. I already have a spin brush, so I might try this one out. And if I like this one better than the other one I have, I'm gonna give the other one away to one of my family members. But here is a spin brush. We'll definitely unbox this and try this out in a later video because I don't really want to open it, but the box is a little beat up, but just trust the process. Oh my gosh, you could use it to clean your car. That's not a bad idea. So that was package 1. Let's move on to package number 2. This one is much bigger, so I'm super excited about that. All right, so we have a few more of the initial baggies. Again, these are for gifts, so I did order a lot of the same thing. Here's another one. Plenty of t-shirts, also for gifts. A necklace. Oh my God, this is the jackpot right here. All right, let's go into it. So first we have a t-shirt. These are all for my Mother's Day gift baskets. And this one says, "This Mama Prays." This is for one of my siblings. That's gonna go in her Mother's Day basket, which I'm gonna work on right after this video. Love like Jesus, John 15:12. And if it says, "Dear person behind me, I hope you know that Jesus loves you beyond measure. I pray he blesses you today with love, the person in front of you." This is for one of my siblings. You know, we got to preach the gospel, spread the gospel around the world. So this is an easy and effective way to do that with a cute shirt. And I know my sister is going to appreciate that because that's what she does. I think this one's for my mom. Yep. This Mama Prays. This one's for my mom. And it's super cute. I know she's going to love this coral color. The quality is very nice and soft. Very nice. Soft cotton, no smell. I like that. Okay, Temu. I think this is so cute. My mom's gonna like it. A quick little throw-on shirt. One more t-shirt. This one just says mom. Again, for one of my siblings, mom of 3. So that's gonna be for one of my siblings who has 3 children. So cute. Blessed to be called mom. Cute colors, nice texture, nice vinyl on it. Really cute. So that's a total of 5 t-shirts. Staying along that line, staying in the clothing, I got these pajamas for myself. You know, Berry. So I got this t-shirt with all the strawberries. And I think that's so cute. And it comes with these shorts. These are cute. I'm gonna wear these wash it first. It doesn't have a smell, but I'm just smelling it. But these are really, really cute pajamas. Can't wait to wear that. Next up, we have some travel perfume bottles. I really, really love these, y'all. If y'all not using these, you are sleeping. This is a perfect way to travel every single day with some of your favorite fragrances. What's the point of having all these fragrances if you're not taking it everywhere you go? So this is a perfect way to do that. All you have to do is open it, and then you open your perfume top, you screw off the little pump, and then you use this bottom piece and you pump it, and then it fills up with perfume. So I got 2 packs of those. Also gonna be for my gifts. Really, really cute, really affordable. 2 packs of 5. Another detangler in this nice teal color. All right, and then we have a mama necklace. This necklace literally says mama on it. It's super cute. Oh, it's a bracelet. It's a bracelet. So for one of my gift bags. All right, so what's in these mysterious boxes? I actually really don't know what's in here. Oh yeah. Okay, so these are some glass cups. Oh wow, the packaging. Come through with the packaging, Temu. And again, for Mother's Day, it says best mom ever. How cute. And then nutrition facts, it says caring 200%, multitasking 400%, patience 500, sleep 1%, hardworking 200, caffeine 110%, and unconditional love and affinity. Percent daily values may be higher or lower based on a child's mood. That is so stinking cute. And yeah, and it comes with a straw and a straw cleaner. Literally like shopping on Amazon. How cute is that? So I got that for a few of my gift baskets. I think this is so cute. Good quality. It's just like the one on Amazon. Plus it comes with everything you're gonna need for it, which is really, really nice. All right, Temu. Temu's coming in hot. It's a lot of them. So those are all the same thing. Then I got these fans, some portable fans. Listen, we live in Florida. We need our fan, okay? So I got a few of those to put in the gift baskets. Oh, it works pretty good. 3 speed modes. Okay, number 3 is really doing it. Y'all see my hair moving? Yeah. Okay, Temu. And it comes with all the accessories. It comes with a charger, instruction manual, and then a little stand. And it lights up blue on the side, and so I'm sure when it's charging it turns. Look at Temu. Yo, this is dope. Really good quality. Everything will be linked down below for you guys if you want to shop. But that third setting is really popping. Okay. And that's straight out of the pack. It's already booming like that. So we got some hair clips. I love these hair clips. They really, they're like the no bend ones, like the ones or no crease ones. I have quite a few of these. So they come in pink, black, and white. So I've got a few of those to put in my gift basket. This pack is pretty hefty. So this is a little jewelry box travel case. Super cute. Nice, pretty pink color. Sturdy for sure. These are usually really expensive, so yeah. The inside quality is not as good as the outside. It is a little cheaply made on the inside. You can kind of see that. It's just a little bit of rinky-dink. It's a little rinky. Like the texture of it is not really that great, but for what it's worth, I gotta give it what it's worth. But yeah, it's a little travel. Second to last. All right, so I have a few lighting, portable lighting strips, you can say. That's gonna go on my shoe rack, and it looks like this. You guys will see a video of that very soon. And this is what it looks like lit up. Oh my God, this is gonna be so cute. So these are gonna go under my shoe cabinets, and that's gonna be so pretty. Oh, you can put it on or auto. Let's see how auto works. So this is it on auto. You can keep it on auto, and it's rechargeable. Comes with a little charger. All right, let's try it again. The auto. Let's try the auto again. Gotta stop moving. again. All right, anyway, so we got a few of those and I'm super excited to, let me turn it off, try that on. Plus it's rechargeable, so yeah, so it comes with the little adhesive strips. They come with 4 adhesive strip plus magnet. So you're gonna magnetize, so when you need to take it off, you can just charge it. A magnet. 4 of those. I only got 4 because I wanted to try it out. But in reality, I think I need a good 12. So now that I have these 4, and when I test it out, I'll be able to get more. And I have a smaller one. I don't know what this one was for, but all right. So the last but not least item. I don't know why I wanted to wait. Like, I don't know why I wanted to do this one last, but I just did. So this I'm super excited for. It is a makeup mirror bag, and I'm so hyped about this, y'all. That quality is thick. It's a nice, thick, heavy size. It has a little strap on the back. It's tough. It's built tough. Okay, Temu. I ain't even mad at you. So this is gonna be definitely for when I'm traveling. I'll show you guys how it looks. So you open it up. This is what it's giving. The mirror has a light and it's rechargeable. There's the charging port right there to charge your light up. This is gonna be perfect when I travel and I go to hotels, and hotels usually don't have the best lighting. So yeah, you could put all your makeup brushes, all the things in here. Open it up. You have your charger cord. You have a mini mirror, a magnifying mirror, and then you have these different compartments to store your makeup. Y'all, this is a game changer. Whoever invented these, take my money, because the quality of it, first of all, is really, really nice. I have to give Temu that. I will easily be able to put all my travel size makeup items in this. It's so, so cute. It's so sturdy. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Ooh, I can literally set it up, prop it up just like this to do my makeup. I really, really like this. I'm gonna get some more of these to give to my friends. I really, really love this thing. 10 out of 10, Temu. Okay, I see you, girl. All right, you guys, so that is all for my Temu haul. I absolutely love everything that I got. I don't think there's like one thing I don't love. Yeah, I'm really, really impressed with the quality of almost every single thing. Only thing that kind of was a little iffy was probably the little pink travel jewelry thing, but it's still definitely usable. It's not like it's not terrible, but it's not as good quality as this thing. This thing, oh yeah, baby. I'm about to get that for everybody for Christmas. Yeah, that's really, really nice. I love that so very much. That is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Everything that I mentioned will be linked down below in the order that it was mentioned. So stay tuned for all the links. Click them down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye. I'm so in love with these things.